Welcome to the Emerging Literacy Training video. Video 5, Concepts of Print. In this video, we will explore Highland's Emerging Literacy Concepts of Print materials, which can be used to support foundational reading and writing skill development. The Concepts of Print developmental continuum has been designed to support practitioners and families in supporting 4 areas of concepts of print. These areas are book handling, picture and story comprehension, looking and recognising, and writing and story reading behaviours. The 4 subsections of the Concepts of Print developmental continuum follow the same structure. On the left-hand side are aspects which you may observe the child doing, things that you may see. And on the right-hand side are some ideas and strategies that you can use to support children in their concepts of print development. The book handling section of the Concepts of Print continuum begins with aspects such as exploration of texts, and progresses onto the understanding of texts, such as directional understanding from left to right and from top to bottom. The picture and story comprehension section of the Concepts of Print continuum begins with picture comprehension and making meaning from pictures. This then progresses on to sequencing of events and being able to retell, and latterly goes on to children interacting with the texts, reflecting on aspects that happen within the text, asking why questions, and anticipating familiar events within stories whilst developing pretend play based on stories. The looking and recognising section of the Concepts of Print developmental continuum begins to look at developing the awareness and understanding of the difference between words and pictures in communicating information. This then progresses onto the awareness of words, sentences, and punctuation. The writing and story reading behaviour section of the developmental continuum looks at aspects in which children mimic the writing and story reading behaviours which they have seen adults modelling. This could include picking up books to read, or could include making marks. One of the initiatives that we recommend that practitioners and families engage with is the BookBug Family Pack in Primary 1 and the Read Write Count Packs in Primary 2 and Primary 3. These provide a wealth of resources and materials to support family literacy learning through the engagement with texts. The Read Write Count website, which can be accessed on www.readwritecount.scot, has some great suggestions on family learning within and out with the home environment. These include suggestions in developing shared reading, ways of developing literacy within the home and out with, such as in the supermarket, and also ways of developing children's awareness of environmental print, such as road signs, shop signs, and print around about the home environment. In Highland, we work closely with our library service through HighLife Highland, and we would recommend that practitioners and families engage with their local library to support literacy learning. The Concepts of Print materials can be found on www.highlandliteracy.com. You should then select the Emerging Literacy tab. Once you've clicked the Emerging Literacy tab, you should now click the Concepts of Print icon on the Emerging Literacy page. Clicking this, you will access the Concepts of Print page, in which you can download the Concepts of Print developmental continuum explored in this video. You have now reached the end of this video. You should now proceed on to the final video, Video 6, Family